Hello everyone, it's Dada again from TradeGuardian, and I wish you all well. Hope you are doing well. Today is a special one because I want to call it "This is how I trade." And I suppose it's the easiest way to explain to everyone who's just beginning to trade, how does one trade? A little bit of background information about me. I have been actively trading Forex markets and all sorts of other markets for at least that I can remember of probably 5 years, if not more. And only the last 2 years out of these 5 hard-working years, I was able to actually get some knowledge and understanding of what is happening in these mysterious markets that we all try to make money from. And obviously, if you're just beginning, your first thoughts probably are, I bet you $1 or a pound, because I'm from England, that your first thoughts are, how can I quickly get some money out of these markets? Now, and that's understandable. We are born greedy. We're all greedy. I'm not saying we're not, but we have to be professional. Now, by professional, I know it's a fancy word. By professional, I only mean educated. Have enough knowledge, like anything. Before you go for a bike ride when you're 2 years old, somebody needs to tell you that it's an unstable mechanism. It's only got 2 wheels. You might need to maintain your balance, or you'll fall off. And it's I think it's a good example with markets because A, you need to maintain your balance, absolutely, or you will fall off, 100% guaranteed. Those 2 things, maintaining your balance and not falling off, probably should be your first 2 priorities in these markets. Now, let's leave the philosophy aside for a minute and go to today's topic: how do I trade and why did I take this trade? If you didn't watch the previous series of ABC of Forex Trading, I do strongly recommend you do, because some of it, what I'm going to say now, probably won't make much sense unless you watch those previous videos. During this whole course of ABC trading, I'm trying to, as much as I can of course, explain the very basics of trading. So if you missed some of it, it's all there on TradeGuardian YouTube channel. You can always go there and watch it. But as always, as usual, I'm going to try it really simple. And this is the trade here that I just taken about an hour ago. This line here, the green line, represents where I took the trade, and the red line just above it there is my stop loss. And let's start why I took this trade. In the previous video I showed you how to make channels, and these 2 green lines sloping down. I explained to you it's a downtrend channel. What do we do in downtrend channels? Is obvious. We only sell, hence the word downtrend. And hence the reason I took this trade. But also another additional reason for me to take this trade was this actual big candle and the candles above it. Again, in the previous tutorials I explained to you about wicks. See these thin bits? Tails. Tails are a good sign of rejection. And let's go into it. What is rejection? Rejection means that the price, the market, tried to go up there, got rejected. So we got a tail. Tried to go up there again, got rejected, even more massively rejected. Fully rejected because it actually formed a red candle after the tail. Massively rejected again, and that was my sign to actually sell this. Let me remind you why. 2 main reasons. A, we are in a downtrend market, as you can see by this channel, downtrend channel. And B, my candles were confirming that it is a good time to sell. Hope this helps. This was just one of my trades that I decided I'll share with you. Oh, and before I go, well, that's my stop loss up there, because to explain why, because it got rejected so many times from there that if the price decides to go up there again, I'm not interested in selling this. So I will be closed down in that much losses, and I'm fine with that. My take profit is probably down here, but I usually don't put my take profit right into market like I already have with stop loss, because I just let it run until it gets exhausted, and then I will take my profits. Again, hope this helps. This was just one of my trades, and I wish you all a very enjoyable festive season. Bye bye.